goal of this activity is to really work the legs. Here's what you're gonna do. Get yourself a plate or some type of weight and a box. And what you wanna do is you wanna lift one leg up. You're gonna soften the knee that's supporting you. Exhale, reach forward. It's gonna shift your body back a little bit. Then you wanna go inhale down. Exhale, come on up. Options, you can go with a dead stop on the box. You can tap and go. Depends on what you're going for. If you're trying to enhance mobility, I would do the dead stop. If you're trying to work on your force production on the bottom, I would do tap and go. Also, make sure the knees stay centered, folks. You don't want it caving in or caving out. So it's gonna look like this. I'm here. Inhale down, exhale up. That's how it's done. Give it a shot.